Hi everyone and welcome back. In the last video, I spoke about what not to do to get a great introduction of yourself. Remember, we tore that sheet of paper and put in the waste paper basket. Now I'm going to talk about what is it that you do with the fresh sheet of paper. Think about what is it that really makes you unique. When you talk about designation and qualification, everybody has them. When you talk about all your hobbies, reading, writing, drinking, binge watching, music, everybody has them. What is it that really makes you unique? Maybe you love playing chess. Maybe you're a certified Bharatanatyam dancer. Maybe you've gone parasailing and snorkeling. Boom, there you have it. Make your introduction interesting and unique. Think about what is it that really makes you different from everybody else and start there. This video is a series of videos that I'm making on how to introduce yourself in an effective, interesting manner. So keep watching.